Pack smarter, not harder, time and space-saving hacks. Moving can be overwhelming, but with a little planning and some clever packing strategies, you can transform the process from a chaotic ordeal into a manageable and even enjoyable experience. This guide provides simple yet effective hacks to save you time and space, making your move smoother and less stressful. Hack number 1, declutter first. Donate, sell, or toss unwanted items. Less stuff means fewer boxes and less time packing. Hack number 2, use what you have. Stuff clothes into shoes, bags, and suitcases. Use towels, linens, and blankets as padding. Repurpose old newspapers and magazines for wrapping. Hack number 3, vertical packing. Pack items vertically in boxes to maximize space. Roll clothes instead of folding to save space. Hack number 4, label clearly. Label boxes with their contents and the room they belong in. This makes unpacking much faster. Hack number 5, pack an essentials box. Include toiletries, medications, chargers, and a change of clothes. This will make your first night in your new place much easier. By implementing these simple packing hacks, you can streamline your move, reduce stress, and arrive at your new home feeling organized and ready to settle in. Happy moving. Dreading the packing process? Let the professionals at Stairhopper Movers Merrimack take the stress out of your move.